Imagine being told that you can get the flawless and bright complexion without having to put foundation every morning. With our new BB Glow facial, you can achieve exactly that. Hello friends, I am Dr. Chandni Jain Gupta, practicing at Elantis Aesthetics, New Delhi. Today, I'll be talking about BB Glow facial. So what is exactly BB Glow facial? So the BB Glow serum is a scientifically proven and tested skin care product that provides coverage for the facial imperfections, including hyperpigmentation, redness, dark circles, and large pores. The premium BB Glow ampule serum with whitening and skin rejuvenating properties will help to solve your major skin problems without overstimulating the skin. The color component of the BB Glow formula brightens the skin and gives a soft, glossy look with ingredients including niacinamide and peptides. Now, what are the benefits of BB Glow? First, as it says, it hydrates the skin. Also, it's a kind of a semi-permanent makeup that puts this foundation under the skin, that improves the complexion of the skin, improves the discoloration and the dyschromias, improves the ruggedness of the skin, the levels of the skin. It improves the redness, improves the blackheads, texture, wrinkles, and it also helps in increasing the collagen synthesis. Now, who are the good candidates for BB Glow facial? So the good candidates are people who have lots of freckles, who have lots of discolorations on the skin, imperfections, dyschromias. All these patients are a very good candidate to undergo BB Glow facial. Somebody who is going to get married to have that instant glow and hydration. Now, how many sessions do you need for BB Glow facial? So ideally 1 to 2 sessions are required. However, if you want to maximize your results, you can go for 2 to 3 sessions. And for the best results, 3 to 4 sessions are advised. And these sessions should be at least 3 to 4 weeks apart before doing the second session. Now, what are the contraindications when to not have the BB Glow facial? So first, if you have any active infection, any active viral infection or bacterial infections on your face, you have to avoid BB Glow. Another is pregnancy. Pregnancy is usually a contraindication for any procedure to undergo. Pregnancy is a big no-no. If you are on isotretinoin, you are advised to not have BB Glow facial. Also, if you have a sunburn, if the skin barrier is already disrupted, then you should not go for BB Glow facial. Thank you.